Hey guys, thanks so much for watching Common Sense Cooking. I'm James, hope you're having a wonderful day. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make injera. So injera is a fermented flatbread from Ethiopia. It's a mixture of teff flour and water. You kind of mix those together and let it ferment like you would a sourdough, and then you cook it kind of like a pancake batter. I'll show you how to do the ferment, cook it, how to keep it going, and then I'll tell you a little bit more about it.